Here at Tapestry Music, we understand the importance of fine-tuning an instrument to perfection before it's released from our care. We begin by listening and tuning to pitch. We stretch the strings and verify nut height to guarantee perfect playability at the first position. We measure the string action height. This is key to determine the ease in which your instrument can be played. We adjust the neck relief, increasing the space between the strings and the frets, allowing them to vibrate freely without buzzing. We set up to manufacturer's specs and smooth fret ends for comfortable playability. We test the electronics to make sure the pickup is working correctly and inspect the surface finish. We polish the instrument and play it one more time. Now it's perfect. When you receive your instrument from Tapestry Music, you can be assured that it's set up perfectly and ready to be played when it comes out of the box.